Hello there, this is a Best Buy calculation that we're going to have a go at. So we're going to look at mathematically how we can compare the value of two different shops that are selling two different items. And we've got a question on the right which we're going to have a go at in a minute. But first of all, we're going to speak in general about how to approach Best Buys. The way I generally explain that people should approach this is you want to, in this particular case, if I can use this one, to compare, you want to know the price per item. So that's what we're aiming for. And we'll know the price per item for the two shops. So if we want to work out the price per item, then it's not too much to figure out. The price divided by the number of items. Now, in some cases, it might be that you're buying a certain amount of kilograms of something, in which case you can work out price per kilogram. So in that case, you do the price divided by the number of kilograms, and that will give you a clear indication of which one is better value. You want to pay less per kilogram. Okay, so with that in mind, let's have a go at applying this to this question. If you weren't too sure about this question before, you now want to have a go at it based on the information, then please do. Pause the video and let's see what we come up with. Welcome back if you did pause it. Hopefully you've got an answer that we're going to check now. Okay, so for the supermarket, we've got a price of £6.25, and that's for 5 pens. So I'm going to work out the price per pen by doing 6.25 divided by 5. For the village shop, I'm going to do 7.20 divided by 6, because it's 7.20 for 6 pens. If you do this calculation here, 6.25 divided by 5, you end up with 1.25 per pen. For this one here, we end up with 1.20 per pen, and therefore you can see quite easily that I want to buy 30 pens in which shop the pen's cheaper. I don't need to actually work out how much 30 pens cost, because I know that per pen this one's cheaper. So the village shop is cheaper as each pen costs 5p less. This works for this particular one where they come in packs of 5 and 6, and 5 and 6 go into 30. If you needed to buy individual pens, you may need to do a few more calculations. But in terms of general Best Buy questions, price per item, price per kilo will always be the best way to approach it. Hope that helps.